Biafra Liberation Army in heavy battle with Nigeria military. Welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first day you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Don't hesitate to follow us on all our social media handles so that you're going to get the news back to back as they happen. They say for Imo State, say no be small battle for there. For Sumohi, in Imo State. They say a very big battle is going on over there with the Biafra Liberation Army and the Nigeria Army. He say for over 3 days now, there have been bombardment over there. They are striking with their fighter jets. And those men resist. Say no, the land in our land, and not go fit kill us. We are going to play you a quick video where you will see and listen what the gallant men are saying, that the land belongs to them, not for any other person. But however, in this channel, we are bringing you current update where it happen, so that it will not be a surprise to you. That's why we try our best to bring you update back to back. So we're going to play the video for you to watch, and we'll come back and analyze the video more better. Stay tuned while we play the video.
I'm giving you this live direct from Osumo, the battlefield in Olu. Tell the world to set their satellite down to east, precisely Osumo, where they will see the miracle of Chukwukika Biama in a full force. Yes. They will see the miracle of Chukwukika Biama in full force. Yes. We know they fear them because they know they see us. I've cared them that we are the spirit, the people that killed many years ago, and the people that are still killing. So we go nowhere. Then lie, then believe. They no lie, then live. But only one thing I will assure them is that death is their portion. As they come with death, death is going to be their portion. Yes. Yes. We are here. We go nowhere. This is the land of our home. The land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. So tell them to come and die quick. The ground is waiting to swallow them. Today is the Eke, the first market day. You see how the sun shine? The ground don't already open mouth. And the war die finish here. So we know they send anybody. Make them come. Ratago. Tell them to come fast. We are waiting for them. At least, if that one don't get problem, the remaining two see they now. Make them carry the two, begin to come. This is Niger Republic that then sign weapon to come. And we are ready to zing all of them. The world will see the miracle of Chukwukika Biama.
Welcome back. I shall watch that video and hear it from the horse's mouth, as in the talker. Say this in the happy for Sumohi in Imo State. Say no be small battle, they battle with Nigeria soldiers over there. So as the story they go on, now Nigeria military, the chief of army staff, the head of Nigeria military, he come with his own news. He say for East, he must make sure say he end kidnapper and insecurity. Say him and his men are coming with full force for East to end insecurity over there. So as the thing they go on, now I come quickly go for comment section. Go look, say man, look wetin dey happen for here. Now people come dey ask am say, what of for northwest and what of for north, for all those people where the for Benue, where they kill people like fly for over there, where herdsmen they kill people over there. Say why they never carry their military enter that place, go end at once as they show power for East. say wetin dey go on for east na negotiation, and the demand of the people say they believe say the peace will return back to southeast. Na wetin people talk o. You know say where e dey happen na there we dey pass. We go set our camera in order way to capture everything as e dey happen. So my people, na so we see am today o, na so we bring am come. So however, make you stay tuned for the next update wey we dey bring come. No forget to follow this channel. Both why I dey talk every time to follow this channel, both here and on YouTube, in Facebook and on YouTube, is because if we no longer have access to our Facebook, we can be able to use YouTube as well, and other social media like Twitter, in our Instagram, TikTok, we are there. So don't forget to follow us so that you will get our news back to back. Thank you.